You know what time it is. Alright, before we get this story time started, I want to let everybody know that, as you can plainly see in the video clip before this one, I was on a Carnival cruise, as last week or what have you, and the Coast Guard had to come out and do a freaking Navy SEAL rescue mission on an individual that was had a medical condition, and they basically swooped down in the middle. The ship is actually going headwind, I believe. I could be wrong about that, given my memory of this, but I think the ship was headwind into. I don't know if the ship had a position for the Coast Guard or not, but I digress. Anyways, Coast Guard rolls in fucking hot. They're in the middle trying to pick some dude up or whatever. They picked one person up, the medically, severe individual, and then I guess the next person to go up was supposed to go up, and then one of the crew of the Coast Guard was supposed to go last, I believe. Okay. However, that's not what happened. I believe that they got the first individual up on the aircraft. And when they try to send the boom down to retrieve the secondary individual, that they later on retrieved at, I think it was they called it at 3 o'clock in the Gulf of Mexico, but they came back at about 4:50 p.m. in the ship time. You can look up Zulu time if you want to know exact time that they came and make their second round. But anyways, the weather was very severe. Like I'm thinking, and this person must be in bad shape for them to be riding it out in fucking, tornado speed level. It's like, man, the wind had to be at least 90 or 80 or 100 knots of speed at least. But anyways, so the second person to get on, or would have been to board the helicopter, was not able to. Now, they made an abort call, I believe, because the winds were just too freaking crazy. And they ended up leaving one of their crew from the Coast Guard on the ship. And at later in the day, about 4:50 p.m., when the sun started to come out, they came back for the secondary passenger and the crew member of the Coast Guard as well. And this happened on the Carnival cruise that happened earlier this week. And just so happened, everyone on TikTok and Facebook is narrating videos about it. Well, I don't have to narrate it because I was there. Like, I was literally right there. And since, I make gun videos on YouTube and shit, I've got a very good sense of camera positioning and how to take a good quality camera angle and have a good quality camera in general. That I probably have the best camera quality HD footage of this event on the internet. There was only maybe 30 or 40 people total that I saw with cameras at the midsection, top deck, towards not all the way to the front, but the mid front of the ship. And I stood up on top of one of the benches to get a better view behind the blue glass. So I think that I have the best quality video footage of this event. Now, some people might have a better video angle of their perspective, but I think as far as the quality of the image, I think I have the best quality, and you'll be able to see the winds and the swells and all that shit, and really get a better depth of kind of what was going on. I have to say to the I believe it was the Baton Rouge, or not the Baton Rouge, but the Louisiana Coast Guard or whatever. Whoever was piloting that day, literally was like fucking badass. Like, I don't know who that dude is, but they need to give him a pat on the fucking back, because he was doing some crazy freaking maneuvers in that helicopter with the freaking wind that was pouring. So enough bullshit talk. Let's just get on with the video. I'm gonna let y'all all watch the whole video from start to finish without me blabbing my mouth, and then I'll come back in with a little bit of narration and a little bit of other video angles that I got. Oh, because the weight? Yeah. I think they could dump some too. I think they have that option, but I don't think that'd be good right over the, on top of the freaking LOC status. It's gonna suck the whole ship up. Still got a lot.
Good morning, Carnival Dream guests. Hey, it's Lily, your cruise director here. Just with a...
He's facing this direction.
Yeah, well, yeah.
right there.
You can send that to her.
Yeah, you should be able to send it directly.
Yeah.
Video.
I was saying beverages at that point. I was scared.
Damn, she's coming down good over here.
No, James just said he thought that we're on the edge of a tornado.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, that's what her mom was saying, that they're putting water spouts.
Warmer out here.
Go to the room and lay down.
Yeah. One another.
Quit watching.
Gotta hold on to your phone tight though. Oh wow. Holy crap. This is a hell of a view right here. Holy shit, look down there. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta hold on to your phone real tight and make sure that phone don't fly off. Holy shit. How would you like to be in a small ass boat? Y'all, you'd be a dead ass in that kind of, you'd be a dead fucker in that shit. Look at that shit right there. Dude, you'd be a dead ass. No. Damn. Damn, son. Look at the zoom up I got on that already. And then if I can tag him, dang it, oh, missed it. Just hold on to it. Oh, shit, I got the back ready.
He's about to have to steady up now.
Yeah.
Willie? So we need to come up. You gotta stay on course.
Lock it in.
Yeah.
Certain mile an hour.
Oh, lost him. There he is right there.
Same one.
As I make his loops. I guess they're getting a feel of the
They do that just to drop us off on the back.
Yeah. I think they're getting feel for the wind.
Wind.
Yeah.
And he'll relay it back to here. That guy's on here. Man, hold on to the spot up there.
Yep, I'm holding into it.
The wind's coming at us. He's
Yeah.
right over here. Again.
Yep.
There you go.
There you go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I lost it. Yeah, I can see up in there. I'm locked on. Yeah. Oh wow, I can see the dude's face on my camera. rolling. There he goes. Oh, welcome back. Okay, well, to close the video out, I just want to let everyone know that I did finish out my cruise in a safe and orderly manner. Their faculty, the staffing of Carnival Cruise Lines has been off the charts. I will cruise with them again. The captain of the Carnival cruise that I was on, and the Coast Guard, and everybody else, and everything about that whole situation other than that taking place was off the charts. Like, I cannot be happier with their services. You will hurt yourself on that cruise if you're on a diet. Don't go on a cruise because you got enough to eat there. Anyways, you guys that are helicopter pilots, especially new ones, I'm assuming that would be like a shit in your pants moment. Anyways, that's all I got to say. I'll see you bitches later.